Let's solve the example of 5.14 using superposition. Now, the current has 3 impedance source, 5 angle 45 amperes, 4 angle of 0 amperes, and 11 angle of 10 volts. And the voltage to find across the impedance of 15 angle of 30 ohms. Since there are multiple sources, superposition is used. That means V is equal to V prime plus V double prime plus V triple prime. Now, solve for V prime. Only the 5 angle 45 amperes is active. The others sources are turned off. Now, we use CDR. Ix is equal to 5 angle 45 multiplied by 5 angle 15 plus 5 angle 45 all over 15 angle 30 plus 5 angle 15 plus 5 angle 45. The result is 1.959 angle 45 amperes. Now, using Ohm's law, V prime 2 to 1 is equal to Ix multiplied by ZV. Our ZV is 15 angle of 30 ohms. So, 1.959 angle of 45 multiplied by 15 angle of 30, the result is 29.385 angle of 75 volts. Now, solving for V double prime. The current source is 4 angle of 0 amperes is active and the other sources are deactivated. So, using CDR again, IY is equal to 4 angle of 0 multiplied by 5 angle 45 all over 5 angle of 45 plus 15 angle of 30 plus 5 angle of 15. The result is 0.811 angle of 15 amperes. Using Ohm's law again, V double prime 1 to 2 is equal to IY multiplied by ZV. So, 0.811 angle of 15 multiplied by 15 angle of 30, the result of V double prime 2 to 1, 1 to 2 is equal to 12.165 angle of 45 volts. Now, let's solve for only the voltage 11 angle of 10 volts is active. The current source are opened. Using VDR, V triple prime 2 to 1 is equal to 11 angle of 10 multiplied by 15 angle of 30 all over 15 angle of 30 plus 5 angle of 15 plus 5 angle of 45. So, V triple prime 2 to 1 is equal to 6.691 angle of 10 volts. Therefore, V is equal to V prime plus V double prime plus V triple prime that we notice the sign change happened because the polarity references direction. So, V is equal to negative V prime 2 to 1 plus V double prime 1 to 2 minus V triple prime 2 to 1. So, V is equal to 29.385 angle of 255 plus 12.165 angle of 45 minus 6.691 angle of 10. So the answer is 21.678 angle of negative 104.951 volts.